Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is my unboxing of my Boxycharm as my box arrived today. And yes, without further ado, let's jump right in. Anyways, for those of you who doesn't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription wherein you have to pay $21 for a 4 to 5 size, full sizes products. It can be makeup or either makeup and skincare, and you only pay $21, but the total value of the entire box is 100 and plus. So it's a really good deal, and it's a best way to increase your makeup collection super fast. So if you're interested, then I'm gonna be leaving the link in the description box, so you could scroll down there, click that link, and it will direct you straight to the website. Anyway, so for this month's theme, it is, let me prepare the box. So this is the box right here, and I'm gonna pull the, whoops. So it says here Afterglow. So this is the card, and it says Afterglow, but behind it says, it stated all of the products that I received as well as the description and their prices. So the first one we've got right here is this mascara, Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced, and this retails for $24. By the way, my box is in a vibration 3. It just says 3 on the corner of this one right here. So this one retails for $24. So before, when I started Boxycharm, I really don't want to receive mascara because I feel like mascara is easy to purchase, but the longer I am subscribed to Boxycharm, I am more grateful receiving this kind of product, mascara, because this is the last on my list of my purchases. So that's why I'm so glad that I received it, because you know, well, recently I purchased a lot of mascara, but I prefer not to. So thanks for that, Boxycharm. And yeah, a lot of good reviews, so I'm excited to try this one out. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. So the next item is this brand right here by Pretty Vulgar. This is by the brand Pretty Vulgar, and this is Shimmering Swan Highlighter, retails for $32. And I'm gonna be swatching this product for you, so you would see how this product looks. So it has a gold undertone, which I like because I prefer a more natural kind of glow than a super intense striking glow. You know what I mean? And this space right here, I've already placed probably 4 coats already, but still it looks like just a very subtle kind of glow, and it blends onto your makeup like perfection. That's how it looks right there. Now we'll proceed to the third item. The third item is a primer. Yes, it's a primer, and this is by the brand Touch and Soul. That one right there is the packaging popular or common to you. Touch and Soul, and it says there, no problem primer, and they are claiming that it blurs your pores in wrinkles. So I've got a lot of primers in my collection, but so far nothing impressed me, so I hope this one is good. Now I'm gonna be again showing to you how the texture of the product looks. So that's how it looks right there. It looks thick, it's more liquidy, but it's not runny, and the consistency is thick. But once you apply it onto your skin, it blends and it melts and absorbs to the skin like perfection. And you know what, sometimes when you use a primer, or Sometimes I feel like a primer is like a lotion or a moisturizer, and sometimes they feel sticky onto your hand, but not this one. And also it doesn't feel heavy on my hand. I'm not sure if it has the same effect on our face once it's applied, but right now here, and I've applied many times, probably 5 times or 6 times already, but still it feels very soft and it doesn't feel heavy, so I like it. And this one retails for $18, and I think Sephora is selling this brand too, so go grab yours. Now let's proceed to the second to the last item. So we've got here a Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser by Pharmacy, and this retails for $22. So I've heard I think they've included a Pharmacy brand on their Lux box, the big one, but this is the first time that they included it in a small box, so it's okay that I received this one, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using this because my skin is really sensitive and I'm more into Korean skincare. But yeah, at least I have Pharmacy brand. I've heard good things about it, so it's fine. That retails for $22. Now we will not make this too long. Let's proceed to the last item, and this is a lip crayon, and that's how it looks right there. It says Prime plus Glaze lip crayon. So this is the first time I've owned a lip crayon with a balm like that, or prime or balm. And yeah, it's pretty unique, right? This is $25, and we'll see how or where does your 25 reaches you. Charot, wrong. So that's how you'll get on your $25. That's how the product there reaches. Is that the right word? The quantity of your $25. Now I'm gonna swatch this one. Ooh, it glides onto the skin. So it glides onto the skin like it's a bit slippery. So it's not a matte. It's not a matte lip crayon, but it is more into a moisturized kind of lip crayon or color. And the shade is not red. It's more on like purple, like a berry kind of shade. But the shade here, it says it's English Rose, so that's $25. Now I haven't added all of the prices of the items that I've got, so let me add them all and then I'll be right back. Okay, so the total cost or total value of the entire box, it's 121, but I've 121 US dollars, but I only paid $21, so it's a good deal. But if you're gonna ask me if I'm happy of the items or of the entire box, I would say so. I'm not so excited. I am not so excited receiving this month's box, and I don't know, I'm just gonna probably rate or say I'm gonna rate this box as 6 over 10. And one is this one right here. I'm so glad I received this month because, like I've said, this would be the last on my list of purchases. So I'm so glad that Boxycharm included this. But mascara is always boring, so that's why I was not so excited. Also, this one right here, this one, it has a decent performance, but this costs $32, but the packaging looks really cheap. It looks like $15 kind of packaging. But don't get me wrong, because the performance of the highlighter is really decent and it's really pretty. So that's it. It's just the packaging. I don't fancy it. It looks cheap. And this one right here, the Pharmacy, this one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this, and still I'm gonna check the ingredients of this one, because probably one of the ingredients right here could clog my pores, and I've seen a lot of oils, like one, two, a lot of oils in here, and oils could really clog your pores. And let me tell you that I am not washing my face every day, so that's why you can see I have less bumps compared to the previous videos that I have, and I could still see dark marks but less pimples because I rarely wash my face. So, and how about this one right here, the primer. I've got a lot of primer. I'm not sure if I've said it earlier, but I've got a lot of primer and none of them impressed me. So I hope this one is good, and I hope this one doesn't clog my pore. I love it because it's made in Korea, but even though it is made in Korea, I'm still gonna check the ingredients. How about the last product we've got right here? This lip crayon. It's really big. This is the first time I've got a lip crayon. It's really big, and I like the performance, but the brand is unknown to me. If you're gonna ask me if I'm gonna purchase this, I would say no, because it's $25. It's kind of pricey. So overall, like I've said, I'm gonna rate this box as 6/10. So that's it, guys. I hope next month's box is better than this month's box. So yeah, see you on my next post, guys. And if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe and click the like button. See you on my next post, guys. I love you. Bye.